Hello and welcome back. I hope that you're all having a fantastic day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Box for Summer 2020. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this season's FabFitFun Box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box that contains a variety of different products ranging anywhere from beauty, skincare, fashion, fitness, and home goods. Now the box does come out 4 times a year. It's seasonal, so it comes out in spring, summer, fall, and winter. And the cost of the box is $49.99 per season or $179 if you do an annual subscription. Now the value of the box is over $200 each season. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive in and see what came inside of this season's box. Each season when you receive your FabFitFun box, it does have a different design, and this season's design looks like this. The boxes are always very, very pretty. When we open up the box, oh wow, that's absolutely beautiful. This is what it looks like. It says FabFitFun there at the top. And then the items are located down at the bottom there, nice and neatly packaged. Now FabFitFun always does come with a magazine each season, and this season they have Gabby Douglas on the front there. And inside of this magazine, it tells you all of the products that are inside of the box. It gives a description of each of the products. Okay, I'm also seeing a $50 coupon for Bright Sellers. I guess this is a wine coupon. And then we have $90 off plus free shipping for Green Chef. So before we go any further, with this box, I actually received it inside of a bigger box this month because I did order some add-ons and some additional products from the choice items in the box. So I got quite a few things. So I'm going to be sharing with you the main box as well as additional choice items as well as the add-ons that I picked up for this season. So just to let you know, if you're a seasonal subscriber to FabFitFun, you do get to select 3 of the products in your box. If you're an annual subscriber, you get to select 5 items in your box, and the rest of the items within the box, FabFitFun will just choose for you. So anyway, let me go ahead and unbox this box. For our first choice, we could choose between a Draper Jeans straw bag with a floral scarf, a tie-dye towel, a Pottery Barn Mason ceramic diffuser in Solstice, a Yummy Kim wireless charger, a triple peptide eye cream from Dr. Brandt, and a Lashes MD eyelash conditioner. So that's what those look like. That was the items that we could choose from. I actually picked up 2 additional items from this choice selection. The first item I got from this was the handbag here, and that's the Draper Jeans Bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here's what the bag looks like outside of the package. I think the scarf is really cute, and you can take this off and use it for something else. Now I did think the bag was a little bit bigger, but it's still definitely cute and usable. This would be something that I would carry with me if I were going to the beach or wearing something beachy and really casual. And that's what that looks like over the shoulder. It's very simple but very cute. I really like it with the scarf tied on, so I may actually leave this on here. Or I could probably take it off and switch it out with other scarves as I change my outfits. Really cute. And that's what the bag looks like inside. It does have a zipper pocket over here, and it's pretty spacious overall. Really, really nice. I do like that. And the value of the bag is $75. The next item that I chose out of this section was the Yummy Kim wireless charger. I just thought this was super cute and would be a great carry along when I'm traveling. I just hope that it works well. Oh, how cute is that? And that's what the charger looks like. And it does come with the cord there. So I'm super excited to try this. I think it's super cute. And like I said, it's something I can just throw in my purse, in my suitcase, and carry on the go. So I really do like this. And again, it comes with its own cord to charge it. Now you will need the little piece for the end, but I can use the one that I use for my iPhone. The value of this charger is $35. So the next item that we have out of choice 1 is the Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice, and that's what it looks like inside the box. So here's what that looks like put together. This is very, very cute. I cannot wait to use this. I may actually put this on my desk or something like that. I really like this a lot. And the value of this diffuser is $59. For choice number 2, we could choose a Michael Kors travel passport wallet, a Business and Pleasure cooler bag, a Hydropeptide Moisture Reset face oil, a Isaac Marazi blue and white kimono, or the R & Company Television Perfect Hair shampoo and conditioner. And that's what those choices look like, just to show you real quick. And the first item I chose from choice 2 is the cooler bag, and that's what that looks like all packaged up. So here's what the bag looks like outside of its packaging. It's really cute and so summery looking. It's a little crushed from being in the package, but still nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. That's what it looks like in the inside. It has that material that'll keep your items in here either hot or cold, and this would be perfect to pack like a picnic lunch or to carry some cans of soda or something like that, of water along with you on like a day trip or a beach trip. I actually got this because I thought that it would be the perfect size for the hubby and I to take a trip to the beach and have lunch or something. So that's what I thought of when I got this. The value of this bag is $59. The other item that I added on and paid the additional $15 for in choice 2 was the Michael Kors passport wallet. And that's what that looks like. Very cute, and it has the signature Michael Kors MKs on it. And that's what the inside looks like. You have plenty of space to carry your credit card, you have your ID, and then you even have some extra pockets over here you could, to stick your passport or any additional items in that you would like. So this could carry a variety of items. And I really do like this. I know right now I'm not doing much traveling, but as soon as all of this stuff is over, I hope to be out and traveling somewhere real soon. So I hope this will come in handy. And the value of this passport holder is $78. For choice 3, we could choose the Giving Keys mini key necklace. We could choose the Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion with an SPF 30. We could have chosen the Kula Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion in an SPF 30. We could have chosen the Tom Sydney Sunglasses or the Black Peel Off plus Hydrogel Eye Mask with Hyaluronic Acid, a set of 5. Or we could have chosen the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, or the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And from this section, I chose the sunglasses. And on top there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but at the very top of the glasses in black here, it says Give Sight. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. That's what they look like. I'll go ahead and throw these on and see what kind of vibe they're giving me. Oh, those are super cute. They are so big and obnoxious, and I love every second of them. I think these are fantastic. I am so glad that I chose these. I absolutely, absolutely adore them. The value of the glasses is $58. So for our fourth choice item, we could choose from Terry Mare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, the Zoyla Ice Roller, or a Silked Satin Pillowcase. Once again, from this section, I did choose an extra item, which I had to pay for additionally. But the first item that I chose from choice 4 is the Zoyla Face and Body Ice Roller. And that's what that looks like. When I saw that this could help to decrease like your pores and help to diminish under eye circles, I was all in. Anything skincare wise that can help with anti-aging and help keep me looking good a little bit longer, I'm all for. So that's what the roller looks like. And there is some pretty good weight to this. It has a nice weight to it. And it says to leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. The ice roller can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites, sunburn, tense or sore muscles post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. All right, I'm so looking forward to using this. Like I said, I love all things skincare, and I don't have anything like this, so I'm excited. The value of the roller is $30. The other thing that I chose out of this section was the silk satin pillow sleeve. I went ahead and chose this because I already sleep on a satin pillowcase and I needed a new one, so I figured why not I just go ahead and add it on. This is a gray color. I'm not going to take it all the way out because I want to put it back in the box because I don't need it in this moment. But these are really good. And I believe this one is open on both ends. It's not like a close in your pillow pillowcase. It just kind of slides the pillow in and both of the sides are open. And I've never tried one like that. So I'm a little bit intrigued to see how that works and if it stays on the pillow properly. But anyway, the value of this pillowcase is $29.50. So for our last choice item, which would have been choice number 5, and this is an area that only annual subscribers could choose from, choices 4 and 5. But anyway, the first item is the Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna Vase. The second is the Lifestyle Company Beach Mist. And then we have the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray and the Grayson Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. So from this section, I chose the vase. I thought it was so pretty. That's what it looks like inside the box. And I'm looking for little things now to decorate my filming / office space. So I thought that this would be a great addition. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I could definitely see sticking some flowers in here and sticking it either on the table that I'm getting when I'm filming or just on my desk as a whole to kind of brighten the office up a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous. And this down here is more rough and like a matte finish, and this is like a painted gloss type of finish, but it's very, very nice. I love the pink with the ivory. The value of the vase is $28. So the last 3 items in the box are items that FabFitFun chose for you. And the first one I got is from Winky Luxe, and it looks like a universal brow pencil. And that's what that looks like inside the package. I don't want to take this out because I found that whenever I get universal brow pencils, they really don't work for me. So I wind up passing them on to someone else, and I will do the same with this one. But the value of this is $16. The next item in the box that FabFitFun chose for me is from Spongel or Spongelli, and it's a hand cream in coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Okay, I can always use a good hand cream. I like to throw them in my bag. Okay. Oh, it smells really nice. Let me just go ahead and show that to you. I already took the cap off. That's what it looks like. And that's the consistency there, a typical hand cream. Let me go ahead and see what this... It feels really good and it smells really nice. It smells really nice. I really like this. This is definitely a hand cream that I can see myself using on a regular basis. It feels really moisturizing just in the little bit that I just rubbed on. All right, so I'm excited about that. The hand cream value is $18. The last item in this box that FabFitFun chose is from Taraka, and it's a foot cream. It says Sicilian blood oranges. Okay. This is what that looks like. And it says, apply onto feet and massage from your heels to your toes and use twice daily. So I guess you could probably use it after your morning shower and after your evening shower. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells really good. You can smell the orange in here. I'm looking forward to trying this. It doesn't have a safety seal. I don't know if it's supposed to or not. Oh, okay, never mind. The top here is actually sealed down. There's no safety seal the way I did. I screwed the top off, but this is sealed. Just want to show you the consistency. It looks like a regular cream or lotion, but it smells amazing. You can definitely smell the orange, and I love it. Okay. I know this is for your feet and I'm rubbing it on my hands. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it might feel like. It rubs in really nicely. A typical cream, but like I said, the best part about this to me is the smell. So I'm excited to give this a try as well, especially with sandal season in full swing. I could always use a foot cream. The value of this foot cream is $24. Well, anyway, guys, that was everything that came inside of my Summer FabFitFun box. What I'm gonna do is add up the value of the box with all of the extra items that I chose, but I'm also gonna give you the value without those extra add-on items that I chose. And once I give you that, I do have a few more items that I picked up from the add-on shop when it was open, so I'll show you those real quick as well. But let me go ahead, add all this up, and I'll be right back. So the total value of my box without the extra choice items that I added on, but just a base box, if it were the things I would have originally chosen, came to $308. That is outstanding for a $49.99 per season box. And with all the extra choice items that I added, I believe 3 or 4, the value of the box came to $509.50. Like I said, outstanding. And I absolutely love everything in the box and every single item except the universal brow pencil, which I'll pass on, will be used by me. I'm super excited for this box. This may actually be one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten from FabFitFun thus far. So let me know down in the comments below what item was your favorite item in this box that I just opened. And if you're a current subscriber of FabFitFun, let me know what the favorite item is in your box that you chose. If you don't receive FabFitFun but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their website down in the description box below. Real quick before we go, guys, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the add-on items that I bought from the shop real quick. I just bought a few things, nothing super fancy, but let's go ahead and I'll share them with you. I ordered some makeup wipes from Pixie because I can never have too many makeup wipes, especially when I'm doing swatches and having to wipe up all this makeup, putting it on, wiping it off. They always come in handy and I keep them in every room. And then I ordered another pack of masks, and I believe there's 10 in here, and I think this was like $10 or something like that. It may have been less than $10, I don't remember the exact amount, and the wipes were like $3 or $4. And then I ordered some lip liners from, it's either Ish or ISH, but there were 4 of them in the pack there. So I thought these were pretty nice to have as well. And they were pretty inexpensive. I want to say I paid like 10 or 12 bucks. I don't really remember the exact amount. But those were just a few extra things that I picked up that I knew that I would use. And you may as well pick them up, especially when they're so discounted in the sales that FabFitFun has. Anyway, guys, I'm going to stop rambling now. That is everything that I have for you today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you go, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.